What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to talk about specifically meme coins within this video because while we understand that utility is obviously the future, we will utilize a lot of these cryptocurrencies a lot more depending on what use cases they do have, whether they are a the world currency, they're going to be a transaction-based currency, whether you're going to be able to use it for AI purposes, or gaming or something, right? Where we have a specific use case for them, or they help out society in the long run, right? But we also know of those plays that have a lot of popularity and really just have growth for the reason of just having growth. And I think we need to, as investors, understand what those opportunities are. So as we see something like that, sorry, it looks like there's something, like I can see something out of the corner of my eye. As we see what those investments are, we can say, all right, let's get into this play for the short term, make money as we see it, play out the way that it's supposed to play out, right? We're investors. We're looking to gain as much as we possibly can in the end by spending a little bit of money to make a larger amount of money. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 meme coins to own in 2024 to go back and forth on owning and selling and owning some more and selling some more or whatever, and playing this short-term market rather than, playing the long games of like 10 years, 20 years. You're looking for that next best opportunity. So let's talk about this. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys want to sign up for Margex, feel free to do that. That link is also in the description. I still see this thing out of the corner of my eye. I really don't understand it. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. All of those links are down there. Let's start by talking about a meme coin that honestly has come up in this last year. It's been maybe a month that this has been live, maybe a little bit over that. But the first one that I want to talk about is Boom, Book of Meme. I feel as though this is going to be one of those that has unexpected rises. And the reason why I'm saying this is because of the amount of volume that came through this position, right? I currently hold, as you can see in my crypto portfolio, I hold about $4,444 and 54 cents. That's a lot of fours that are there, to be honest. I didn't expect that, but that's absolutely a lot of fours. One more four and it would have been a clean sweep, right? Now still one more four. There we go. You got to take a screenshot of that. 444444. Absolutely amazing. But I think Boom, Book of Meme, is going to have a lot of hype to it and a lot of possibilities. I first invested into this play when it was around $1 billion market cap, just to kind of get my feet wet or foot in the door. That's what I wanted to do to get introduced to the position. I knew we would see more negativity so that we would see things that are, it comes down to kind of a reality and maybe gets hit by some negativity within the market. That's exactly what you saw. It's now down to about a $600 million market cap. Now it was even lower than this, which I did decide to buy more as I saw it at those low points, which I currently hold about 400,000 Boom. Now, I believe that this could have the possibility of getting to a level of $1. And if it does, you're looking at a $55 billion market cap. And also, I'm looking at $400,000 just with Boom alone. I think this is definitely going to be a larger play within this year, especially with the level of volume in the billions. The fact that it grew to a level of being worth over $1 billion market cap. It definitely shows me that this has some major popularity behind it and doesn't really have a lot of thought going into it. It's primarily just a meme coin. You see all the places that is available, right? You have an S-tier exchange in Binance. I don't know if you'll see Coinbase, but you do have an S-tier exchange in Binance. Then you have Crypto.com and 106 other pairings that are there. The next position I want to bring up, just to kind of clarify things, I'm not talking about Doge or SHIB in this video. Other ones are really the ones that are up and coming. We know that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are going to make moves. So just to kind of clarify that for people. Next position is another one that I do hold, which is Grock. And the reason why I say Grock is because of the level of popularity that I see on Twitter, the level of popularity that I see on many social media platforms about this position and the impact and the tie to Elon Musk is huge. I think that this is going to be a lot bigger than what we intend to see. I currently see it at a $6 billion market cap. I can see it at a $6 billion market cap, if not a $12 billion market cap. So up to a level of $2. However, you have to take it all with a grain of salt because anything could happen depending on how different investors react. Because as I see it go to certain levels, yes, I'm taking certain amounts of profit. It's currently sitting at a $66 million market cap. I have about $10,000, which is $3,000 over what my cost basis was, or what the original amount that I put in, because I invested at about 70% of a penny, and now it's sitting at 1 cent. It has a history of going to 3 cents. So even from where we are, it's a 3x. So this 10,000 should turn into 30,000. And as we see it grow to certain levels, that's when I will have my profit taking strategy to where I do take out a little bit more. But I think that this is one of those plays that will be kind of a sleeper meme coin play, but has the level of popularity, and you have seen the volume. You look at the markets on this one as well. It's available on many different markets. It still doesn't have an S-tier exchange available yet. So once you have those S-tier exchanges where you have a Coinbase and a Binance, and maybe depending on how it reacts, but it could be a Kraken and a Crypto.com and things of that nature, I feel as though those will end up picking this up to a whole nother level. So I really do like Grock. Check out the community, and just go and search it up and see what you do like about it. The next position is another one that I do hold as well. MAGA. And the reason why I say Maga Trump may be a bigger play, it currently sits at a $219 million market cap. I have about $1,000. I believe I'm down on this position, and what I did invest, it's like $7 is my level. But the point is that I see so much opportunity in where this will go, and it's because of the election. In 2024, you should see this absolutely pick up and be worth so much more leading up to the election, right? And that's where I expect to see the major impact of positions like this. So many different positions that are out there, but this is just kind of worth the most out of any other one that's there. And it's also still has a chance to have a much higher impact and more availability on it. So it's primarily just by, kind of speculation, which all of this is really speculation. But from what I've seen, people tend to react and move towards things because they're relevant at the time, right? Maga Trump, relevant at the time, you're going to see things that are absolutely skyrocketing for this position. And this is why I still hold $1,000. Even though I'm down a little bit on it, I still hold those levels there. I don't know exactly how much I'm down. I'll have to check that in another video. The next position that I want to bring up is a position that I do not hold, which is Dogwifhat. I feel like this is one of those ones, if you currently hold it and you bought it at less than $1 billion market cap, if you bought it at less than a $500 million market cap, you are at a steal price, a steal cost basis of where you bought at. Right now, it's definitely on the higher side when you look at a $2.83 billion market cap. It got to a $4 billion market cap. It's definitely on the higher side, but it catches so much traction and so much attention that this is a Solana meme coin and should not be the top Solana meme coin, because Bonk should be the top Solana meme coin. However, Dogwifhat gets so much volume and so much attention that it pushes a lot further than Bonk has in the past and currently. So this is definitely one of those ones that you want to look out for, and hopefully you can see an opportunity with as well. I do not have it just because I feel like I missed an opportunity. And while I do still see growth within it, it's just like when I see something that grew so much when I had the opportunity to buy and I decided not to do it, I don't want to trade emotionally. So I tend to not get into that position because that's what leads to emotional movements. But the next play that I have is a different situation, right? We notice that most of the meme coins that are out there are dog meme coins, right? You have Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, you have Myro, you have a lot of dog coins. For some reason, I can't think of them right now. Bonk is a dog coin, but you have cat in a dog's world. I feel like this is something that I've heard a lot about, and I've also talked about in the past. I actually have a little bit of, as I did talk about it, but I don't have a lot, and I would have loved to bought a lot more, but I missed that opportunity as well. I still feel like it's at a low market cap, and I still kind of want to own some right now. So buying it on Solana wouldn't be a horrible thing because I do have Solana in order to trade. It's just I always come down to it. I'm like, should I buy any more crypto? I should stop buying at this moment when there's still opportunities that are out there. And I think Cat in a Dog's World is that. You're seeing about $89 million worth of volume, $439 million market cap. I don't think it's finished there. If you look at the pairings and places that is available, 70 different pairings. You have KuCoin, you have Gate.io, you have Bitmart. You still don't have any S-tier exchanges at the current moment. So it opens up the door for a lot of opportunity if you can see that happen. And with how Coinbase is so into Solana at the moment and how the US is so into Solana, I would imagine there's no issue with that. But it kind of brings this like whole different category into the broader meme coin category where you're looking at dogs versus cats versus frogs, right? And honestly, the only ones that really have moved a massive amount have been the dog coins, right? You have some coins like that. You have Pepe, you have Book of Meme. I don't know if you would consider that. I don't know what that image actually is, but since it's green, I'm going to say that. But now you have cats, and I think you have like some other ones like Cat with Hat and all of these other things. But Cat in a Dog's World looks like an opportunity. So I just wanted to bring out some newer, fresher content for you guys and see if you guys enjoy it. I always like to go through these top 5 lists, these top 10 lists, and just go through different positions because it's just like going through the broader market, and especially when it's things that you truly believe in. So anyways, let me know if you like this list. Let me know if you have any other meme coins in your portfolio that you feel like is going to be the next biggest thing. Don't just throw things out there just because you want to pump whatever the price is. Like, we want to know what you truly believe is going to be worth $1 billion, $10 billion, $20 billion. What's going to be this bull run's Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Is it going to be Pepe? Is it going to be Book of Meme? Is it going to be Floki, right? Even though Floki was a part of the last bull market, but is catching a lot of fire and a huge amount of flames here in this bull market. So anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.